Hey YouTube, I got another install for you today, a little quick one. So we're gonna be installing the overlays on the fog lights. Now I've gone already and done the first step. So you wanna take out, there's like a plastic piece here. Damn plates. There's a plastic piece here, it just kind of pries off. And there's two screws. One here and one here. And that's all it's holding it together, plus the electrical connection. You know, you could do this with the fog light still in there, but you know, for that added extra step, I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna really make sure that the overlay stays. So that's step one. Okay, I've moved on to the next step, and my fog lights are pretty beat up, dirty. I tried my best to clean it, but you know, they're exposed to the road. So I live in Canada, and salt, rocks, construction all the time. It's not great. But so I've already cut out the fog light inlay, as they're called. They're just gonna go on like that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the middle. Just start from the middle and just kind of press it out. And after, I'm gonna take this lighter and kind of just lightly kind of heat seal the edges to make like a tighter seal. So we're gonna see how it goes. So I got the overlay on. Word of advice: the lighter is your friend. Heat is definitely your friend in this process. I was trying to get it on without light, like as you can see. I was trying to get it on with this one, but I still kind of fucked it up. But you know, when it's covered with the plastic cover on the actual fog light, it'll look a lot better. So I'm telling you now, heat is your friend. Use the lighter. I've even sealed it a little bit so that it stays on as long as possible. So yeah, use the lighter, and now I'm gonna put them back on. Show you how it looks. Install done. They look pretty good. You can't tell the parts that I messed up unless you really look. Even so, like, hey, Nito, how are you? Even though, you know, it still looks pretty good. $5. Give it a JDM look, you know. All right, thanks for watching.